In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up payments for employees on Oyster. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a quick refresher, I'll make sure you understand everything you need to know to get started and manage employee payments with ease. Stick around to the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that you won't want to miss. First, let's dive into the basics of Oyster. If you're unfamiliar, Oyster is a platform designed to simplify HR and payroll management for global teams, allowing you to onboard and pay employees in multiple countries, all in one place. It's a game changer for businesses that operate internationally or hire remote employees across different regions. Now, to set up payments for your employees on Oyster, you'll first need to make sure that your company is fully onboarded and that you have access to the payroll section in your account. Once logged into your Oyster dashboard, head over to the Payments tab. Here, you'll be able to set up payment methods, view employee pay details, and manage payouts. The next step is adding your employees to the system. Go to the Employees section and click on Add Employee. Fill in all the relevant details such as their name, job title, and payment information, including their preferred payment method. Oyster supports several methods for paying your employees, including direct bank transfers, e-wallets, and even local payment systems depending on your employee's location. Make sure to select the method that works best for both you and your team. Once you've added the employee, it's time to set their salary or hourly rate. You can do this directly from their profile page under the Salary section. Here, you'll input the agreed upon payment amount, payment frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and any additional pay details like bonuses or commissions. Oyster allows you to make changes to the pay structure at any time, which is really convenient for businesses with fluctuating pay needs. Next, let's talk about the payment schedule. After you've set the employee's payment details, you'll need to select the payment schedule that fits your business. Oyster lets you customize this by selecting pay periods, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once the schedule is set, Oyster will automatically calculate the payment dates and ensure everything is paid on time. This removes the need for manual tracking and guarantees accuracy in your payroll processing. Another great feature of Oyster is the ability to track payments. Under the Payment History section, you can view all past payments, check if they've been processed successfully, and even generate reports for accounting purposes. This is especially helpful when it comes to compliance and ensuring that all payments are accurate and timely. Lastly, don't forget that Oyster also gives you the ability to handle tax withholding and other deductions based on the employee's location. This is crucial for staying compliant with local tax laws and regulations. You can configure these deductions under the employee's profile and ensure that they're calculated correctly. To wrap up, setting up payments for employees on Oyster is simple and straightforward. You can easily add employees, set payment schedules, and track all payments within the platform, saving you time and effort. And the best part? Oyster is free to try using the link in the description below, where you'll also get an exclusive extended free trial. This is an awesome opportunity to explore the platform's features risk-free. If you're looking for a way to streamline your payroll process and manage payments efficiently, Oyster is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive bonus offer using the link below.